software subscriptions have gotten completely out of hand. Everyone wants $10, $20, or even $50 a month just to let you use basic tools on the PC you already own. But what if you could replace those expensive monthly fees with software that is completely free? Today, I am going to show you 5 incredible 100% free PC tools that replace some of the most expensive software on the market. No hidden fees, no trial versions, and 0 subscriptions. Let's save you some money. Tool number 1 is Microsoft PowerToys. Instead of paying for premium productivity software to manage your workflow, this free utility straight from Microsoft gives Windows superpowers. The absolute best feature is FancyZones, which lets you create complex custom snap layouts for your windows, completely transforming how you multitask. It also includes Always on Top, letting you pin any specific window above the rest of your apps with a simple keyboard shortcut. Stop paying $100 a year for Microsoft 365. Tool number 2 is LibreOffice. It is a completely free, open-source office suite that includes powerful alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The best part? It fully supports Microsoft file formats, so you can still open, edit, and send docs or XLSX files to your coworkers or clients without them ever knowing you aren't using Word. Tool number 3 is Greenshot. If you are paying for premium screen capture tools like Snagit, cancel it right now. Greenshot is a lightweight, open-source screenshot utility that uses virtually 0 system resources. It lets you quickly capture specific regions of your screen and immediately opens them in a built-in image editor where you can add highlights, text, or blur out sensitive information before saving. Tool number 4 is Audacity. If you want to start a podcast, record YouTube voiceovers, or edit audio, you do not need an expensive Adobe Audition subscription. Audacity is a wildly powerful free audio editor that works with almost all audio files. It handles background noise reduction, multi-track editing, and even supports advanced plugins if you want to expand its capabilities later on. Finally, tool number 5 is BleachBit. Many PC cleaning tools like CCleaner now push premium upgrades or bundle unwanted bloatware during installation. BleachBit is completely free and open source. It deeply cleans your hard drive, clears out gigabytes of hidden cache files, and even includes a secure file shredder to permanently delete sensitive data so it can never be recovered by anyone else. You don't need to go broke to have a powerful PC. I have put the official, safe download links for all 5 of these free tools in the description below. If this video helped you save some cash, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tool you are downloading first. See you in the next one.